Hey everybody, Mark here. I'm going to be showing you how to install a program properly. A lot of people just launch a program and keep clicking next, and that is not the way to do it because you might install, most of the time, you install a bunch of extra stuff in that. Yeah. So basically, I have this file, OpenOffice. It's an alternative to Microsoft Office. It's free. Um, it so I have this executable. I downloaded it. It's in my downloads folder. I'll double click on it. Click yes. Gonna explain to you the stuff you need in that, the stuff you want. This right here, this is really important. Your destination folder, try not to change it, but if you need to, you have an extra hard drive or something, you're running out of space, or if you, if you have other locations, you can choose where to put it there. So that's not needed. Most of the time, you're not gonna touch this, but I'm just telling you that as an option. And you're gonna hit install. Now, what I wanted to do, I don't think it's here, but make sure, what I'm trying to get at is make sure that when you install stuff and when you have an option to do something, make sure you're reading what it's installing, even if you don't know what it is. See, like this right here. Welcome to the installation wizard. Install OpenOffice on your computer. Okay, based on blah blah blah. So it gives you all this information. That's fine. See, now here, before I do anything, I'm not just clicking next. I want to know, wait, do I want to set my username? Do I have an organization? Install this application for who? Is it only for me? Or do we want it for everybody on the computer? Oh, I want it for everybody on the computer and I don't care about this stuff. So I'm going to click next. Now this is where people mess up all the time. People just keep clicking next. You should always do custom. So next. So you can go through, I know this is going to look a little bit crazy and there's going to be a lot of stuff. But you can see right here, select the program features you want installed. So instead of installing everything, I don't know, like there's some optional stuff here. So you can click this little plus right here and say, oh, well, there's certain things I don't want. You know, I don't want this Windows Explorer extension. We're never going to use this. So you can disable it. So you should, when installing something, it takes an extra few minutes maybe, and you know, at least you'll get the stuff you want. Most of the times when you hit custom, there'll be a little box that says don't install this free web browser plugin or Yahoo search bar or stuff like that. That's what you want to be careful for. So always do custom. And then like let's say in here, right? I'm never going to use this math one. I'm never going to use this one. I know what it is. And I'm never going to use draw. I just want writer, which is basically Microsoft Word. I want calc, which is Excel, and impress, which is what's it called? PowerPoint. That's literally all I want. And then I can change where I want to install it if I wanted. Try not to touch this, but if you needed to, you could. Now I'm going to hit next. See, now there's even more options. It's asking me, set the default applications to Office file types. So this means Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and PowerPoint. Do you want to change it to the tool we're using? This new one, OpenOffice. I say yes. I put the little checkbox. That means yes. Now, do I want to create a start link on the desktop? So do we want a file right here to launch the program? Yeah, sure, we do. So install. So you see, it took us an extra 30 or so seconds, maybe a minute, and we know for sure what we are installing on our computer. You know, so it's a lot better to do it this way. So let's just let this finish up, and then I'll show you what it's gonna look like. See, we're done. So finish. What I'm trying to get at is read every time before you hit the next button, and when there are custom options, make sure to choose custom. So right now I'm gonna launch it. So let's let this launch. Okay, whatever, first name, last name, I don't really care. And you'll see it installed the text, the spreadsheet, and the presentation, but look, the other three were not installed. This math one, the drawing, and the base one. They weren't installed. So now we got to control what we wanted installed. That's basically it. So yeah. So if you like the video, leave a like. If you want more content like this, subscribe and leave a comment. We'll try and get back to you. And yeah, have a good one.